How long have you been with Divers Academy?
15 years.
15 years. And you have grown so much over the last 15 years. And we consider you our instructor of the year, and you have been many, many times over. But over these 15 years, how have you seen Divers Academy change and evolve?
Well, to answer that question best, the first thing I have to do is step aside so you can take a little bit of a look around at our background. Even before those 15 years, when I came to dive school, we were located in Camden, New Jersey, right in one of the ports, right by the Walt Whitman Bridge across the road from Philadelphia. And while we always would refer to us as a diamond in the rough in that location, we really had, over the years, under the guidance of the Brown family, we had outgrown that location in both physically, just in terms of sheer room, and also I think in what we wanted to achieve in terms of growing our program. When I went through the program, it was 4 months long. Now it's 5 months long. There's more certifications available to the students. They're coming out with a better education, a more well-rounded
So you would say we have grown more globally over time?
Definitely.
Would you agree that the students themselves and the occupation itself has grown more professional? We've moved away from the old, eat nails for breakfast and the old hoorah hoorah to a much more technically advanced. And we have. Tell me about that.
Well, I don't think we're really commercial divers anymore. We're professional divers. And I think that's been a huge change. I think our clients and the business as a whole has demanded it, and we've responded to it. And we've grown in terms of our professionalism and professionalism of the product we turn out. Our students, our graduates.
Absolutely. So much more education, much more technical. And our industry has certainly grown its certification for technology and has moved away from the old grunt diver.
I'll teach you all what I need to know here. Just do this and stand here.
The old mentality of rude, socially unacceptable does not exist much in our industry. And our industry is certainly grown professionally. So is our program, so well our graduates. So you would agree with that, Rob?
100%. And I see this trend not stopping. We haven't grown to where we need to be. We are continuing to grow, and that's where I think we need to be. We need to continually grow as an industry, as a school, globally, because that's what our industry is doing. That's what our industry